In this video, I will guide you on how to fix Facebook keep stopping error. First thing you want to do is close the app completely whenever this error occurs. Once you have closed the app, next thing you want to do is force stop the app. For that, tap and hold on Facebook. Now tap on this app info icon, which should directly take you to settings. Here you want to find the option of force stop, tap on that, then tap on OK. Once that is done, tap on storage and here tap on clear cache. Then you want to head back. Now open Facebook and check if the issue is fixed. If not, you want to update the app. For that, launch open Play Store or App Store, tap on the search bar and here type Facebook. Now if you find an update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Once you have updated the app, launch it open and check. Finally, you simply want to uninstall the app. For that, tap on the uninstall option, then tap on OK. Once you have uninstalled this, open Play Store or App Store and reinstall this application. Then this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.